Ryan's got our full forecast, and we are definitely on that spring roller coaster this week.
Today is amazing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's, you said it earlier, that you got a taste of spring, and it's hard to move backwards after that.
Yeah, we're going to.
We are. Buckle up,
Yeah.
because spring in Maine continues. But hey, you can enjoy the next hour or so. We still have some daylight out there. It is 66 in Portland. This is the 24-hour temperature change. In other words, how much warmer we are now than we were at 6 o'clock last evening. We are going to go the other way tomorrow, though. So don't get too used to these numbers, but they're pretty nice to see on the map. Manchester, New Hampshire, actually 71. It's 62 in Waterville, 56 in Bangor. Down East Coast, as is typical, much cooler with the wind off the water there. These are going to be the numbers this time tomorrow evening, though. So don't get used to the t-shirts and shorts because, as you know, it comes to an abrupt end sometimes here, and that end comes with this cold front tonight. There may be a shower along it, but more importantly, it sends down colder air to at least Maine tomorrow. It still will be warm in southern New England if you happen to be going down there. We just will be out of the warm party coming up tomorrow. So for tonight, a stray shower is possible. That cold front passes through, and by tomorrow morning, it's right near the coastline. Most interior areas in the 30s, even 20s up north at 6 in the morning, still in the 40s at the coast. Now we have two waves of precipitation coming in, and I say precipitation because they won't be all rain. The first one comes in during the morning hours tomorrow, and it will be all rain for the coastal plain and a good deal inland. But through the foothills and mountains, it's colder, so a little wet snow or some sleet is possible for a time late tomorrow morning as this passes through, but it won't last all day. The afternoon just looks cloudy and chilly with, again, temps in the 30s, so the temps going down as the day goes along. The second wave tomorrow night, it'll be colder, and there's a winter weather advisory up that includes Bangor, the mountains, and north. This has a better potential of greasing up some roads, even if there are a few slick spots tomorrow morning. I think it's more likely with this tomorrow night. A wintry mix for many through the interior and the mountains. It could be some sleet or wet snow. Snow more likely in northern Maine. And by the way, tomorrow night, there could even be a rumble of thunder as this passes through. Kind of bizarre little system that comes through during the middle of the night. And then it's gone by daybreak on Wednesday, but temps are near freezing, so there could be some slick spots in the morning, particularly inland and north, with some snow showers up in the county. The afternoon on Wednesday, it's cloudy, it's drier, but our temperatures don't move a whole lot. So it's possible you pick up a trace to an inch of snow as far south as Waterville and Bangor, 1 to 3 inches more likely through the central highlands and up north, and there could be a little icy glaze on top too from a little sleet and freezing rain. Again, most of that is late tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Seas tomorrow, 3 to 5 feet, northeasterly winds 10 to 20 knots. So much, much colder tomorrow. Cloudy with a little light wintry mix that passes through the interior, but it's more likely rain showers at the coastline. And then for Wednesday, most of the day looks dry. We just don't warm up a whole lot. There is another chance for a little light mix on Thursday. More likely inland and north, but could be a few wet flakes close to the coast. And then for the weekend, we should be milder, but it does look like some showers will be around on Easter Sunday. So we'll watch that through the week.
I'm glad you could not see my face for most of that forecast, especially tomorrow. Wow. All right, Ryan, thank you.